Jesus is my treasure, never-ending peace. And they can't keep me from your love, cause it'll never cease. So I pray you keep me, cause I can't keep myself. Protect me from my sin, I know I'm bad for my health. And I'm dying to know you wake me up and let me read. Drink your words, so if they cut me, this is what I bleed. Give me a double feature, give me a triple portion. I'm coming back for seconds, third, fourth, more. Your goodness, your mercy, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty. Your love and your grace, I just need a taste. Your peace and your passion, your joy and compassion. You got it, I need it, I just gotta have it. Yeah, I need more, yeah, I need more, yeah, I need more. Lord, give me more, yeah, I need more, yeah, I need more, yeah, I need more. Lord, give me more. If I don't know it, teach me please, though I'm undeserving. Don't let me lose sight of my Savior, cause my Savior's worthy. Apart from him, I'm zero, zilch, not a nothing. No point in acting like I'm somebody to prove something. Open my understanding when I read the scriptures. And still your word inside a dark and wretched, lonely sinner. Make me acquainted with your covenants and